This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the flower cart box card. Now this file has 2 layers of flowers. I've put together the first layer and I'm just going to show you how to assemble this one layer. This is the insert. See, I have these put together here. And when you start, you've got your greenery, and then you have your pail, and then your flowers, okay? So each bundle of flowers has the one piece with all 3, and then you just add the one center to it, okay? Now your tulips, again, is the same concept. Your center flower glues on separate. And then glue this to the base. I've already put the pail on this one. And then you have your yellow flowers, and the 2 bottom ones are smaller than the top. That'll help you orient it the right way. The top flower is a little bit bigger. This card is an A2. And now we're just going to adhere this to the insert. I'm going to put the 2 sides on first and then my center one. And I think I might even use a little bit of foam tape on that, on the center one. Just get that lined up on there. I have a small piece here that I want to put there. And then I think trim it just a little. Bummer. Let's set this aside. So. Okay. So that is the insert. Then we're going to pull this piece in. And you just have to pay attention when you're doing this piece so that you're gluing the pieces on the right side, okay? So these pieces, and I've already put these flower pails together. We have the pole to our umbrella that needs to go down first. And for these, you're gluing it to the inside of the card. And I would suggest putting the flowers on first. They're part of the umbrella. They're welded together, and you want your umbrella like over your flowers, okay? Instead of your flowers in front of the umbrella. And then just line this up. And then I'm going to use foam tape on my umbrella. There we are. Okay, now the rest of the pieces go on the other side. So we have this for the back. The one on the back is for the sentiment. You just want to kind of center it in there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the front. So if you wanted to write like fresh flowers or have another sentiment on it, say happy birthday, happy spring, happy Mother's Day. Okay, and then you have your signboard. I think I'm going to use a piece of foam tape on this. So you line up the legs, just line it up to the top first, and then make sure your legs are lined up like that. And then your chalkboard, which gives you another place to write a little message if you want. feel like this needs a little bit of inking. So I'm just going to hit it real lightly with my black ink pad here. Because everything is the same color. Yeah, that helped. I just want it to stand out. So I'm going to wait to put this on because I want to make sure I have it on straight and that it's level. So I'm just folding this on the score lines and I'm going to stand it up. And it's a little wonky because the back is heavier, okay? And then I'm gonna put my insert in. And I do want it standing up because I do want to make sure that all the wheels are touching and all the legs are touching so that it will stand up well. Okay. Now I'm going to put glue on this tab. I'm going to fold this over. Just be careful. Fold it both ways. And then I'm going to close it up. Oops. You have to watch the handles on the ones on the side. They like to get in the way. And now with that, like that, then I can put my, and I think I want to add another piece of foam tape. Now this tape is very, it's not very thick. It's pretty thin. So if you are going to do that, just make sure you're not adding, you know, tons of depth. You don't want to use a real thick foam tape there. And now I'm just gonna try to hold on to it, and I'm lining it up to the outside of the leg, maybe a little further. So I lined up this second leg in here to the bottom of that leg for anybody who wants to do it the same way. And there it is. There's the flower cart box card. Thank you for joining me.